Okay, thank you for sending, love. A year after giving birth. Sent for the last two liquids. So I took the last of my hi. Oh my gosh. You guys, my husband is home. He got off early, but let's do comet. Well, recycle powder. This is, it's actually recycled pine powder, not just comet, like it's the pine. Oh, you know what? One of my friends told me that one of her friends made like a watermelon scented powder. CA, thank you. This is gonna be splashing. Oh my goodness. I think this is why I like, just, I don't know. I feel like recycle powder, it like goes everywhere. This is splashing too much. Maybe because I didn't sift like the way I should have sifted, like the right way. I was just kind of going fast when I was sifting. It was satisfying. Oh my god. I love the way this smells. I missed the morning live. Woke up sick. Really? The morning live? The morning live. I didn't have a morning live. If you're talking about when I got in the box, I was talking to Pinky, but I didn't get in the sink this morning. No, yeah, you didn't miss anything. I think maybe the shopping. Oh, and oh yeah, we also went shopping to the grocery store. Were you watching me, Sin? I need to check my CA. Because we have a couple senders, one sender already for the liquid. Aw, thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Ooh. Okay, so that right there, oh, never mind. So that's 12 and 12, 24. With this one, it's gonna be 24 with this Ajax can. So that right there is already 24 cans. $42, $43, $44, $45, I think is what you said. 45 cans going in. So this should be it. Uh-oh. Hi, Dutch. Oh my God, we got a restriction. For what reason? Great. Whatever. I know, I don't know what's happening. Sorry, that was like a rubber band. Let's see. Oh my god, this smells so good. I can use it, but I can't watch. Hi, Foca. Thank you for joining us. Did you go out? You probably went out, huh? Well, right now I'm in the sink doing the recycle cans with some Foca Roma pine liquid, and we'll add lemon panelin. Nice. Did you end up going to the store? Not that one. Oh, you didn't go? Does anybody else want to send for more recycled powder? I think I only have, Todd, we have 36, right? 36, yes, 36. Let me add more. Ooh. Oh no. So there's that. I'll send for recycle. Oh, thank you. Anybody else? I don't have a lot. Oh, that's still good, huh? Still a good view. What? Okay, I need to check. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ty, I think we sold out. I need to add the last liquid.